Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 244. If we start with this bottom row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here and a 6 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column now, we're just missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 4. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got the 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 covering here and an 8 covering here. So our 8 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. Got a 2 here, so 3, 5. 5 here, so 2, 3, and no help here, 2, 3, 5. For this top row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. That 3 makes this our 5, 3, 5. And the 3 and 5 makes this our 2, 3. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.